Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these awesome dates by Natural Delights. They are very tasty. I like them because they are pitted, so it takes away some of the extra work that I might have to do. And this is a 12-ounce container, so it has a good amount of dates in them. The serving size on the back is 2 to 3 dates for 140 calories. The nice thing about dates is that they give you such a nice boost of energy, a natural boost of energy. They're good for you, and they have 50% more potassium than bananas, which is crazy to me. Who knew? So this is a great thing. I like to use them for like a pre-workout snack, or even just in the morning when I first get out of bed, having a little breakfast of this with some peanut butter on it, and then having a bigger breakfast or snack later. So definitely recommend these. I think they are a great tool to have in your toolbox for a little snack or for breakfast, and that is my point of view.